They can't know I'm in here. They can't know I'm in here. Oh my gosh, I've been quarantined for 2 weeks now. Look at me. Look at my beard. Look at my hair. I just need a haircut, something, get my confidence back, feel somewhat normal. If I just knew somebody. If I just knew somebody. What the? What's up, bro? Someone summon a barber? Yes, please, bro. Just please clean me up. Give me a taper, beard works, just something. Just please. Yeah, I got you, bro. I'll give you something like this, a little taper action, do some beard work. Bro, I got you. Let's get it. Alright, guys. So all you guys need is a clipper. This is my wall clipper. It has the Andes mod on it, so that's why it's different with the guards. Then you need your trimmer. I'm using my Gamma trimmer, my Gamma shaver, my jjaybeardedbarber brush and razor, and then just a comb. What is good, YouTube? We're back here with another video. This is the self-cut video during quarantine. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy that intro. Something a little different that I just wanted to kind of put together, and hope you guys enjoyed that. A little talk with myself, getting this cut ready, because you know everybody in quarantine is struggling, needing a cut. Also, stay tuned till later in the video. I got a little special surprise for you guys. Let's get into the cut, right? So I'm just combing out my hair right now, getting it ready, preparing it for the cut. And now first here, we're gonna go ahead and put that bald guideline in. I'm doing more of a high taper on my hair. So I went from, you know, where the connection of my ear is all the way till the bottom of my C cut, or the bottom of the vertical bar, and balding that out. And here I'm showing a little tip that I'm scraping out on the beard. So what that's doing is kind of blending it, and it'll make it a lot easier for me to blend my beard into the baldness. And I did the other side, and now here I'm just checking, making sure the bald guideline on both sides is even. So I'm using my ear as a reference. So I'm gonna go ahead and bald that all out. And that raking motion really helps with speeding up the blending, because it kind of fades it out for you. So that's a little tip that you guys could use if you have a beard. And now I'm just balding out the back. You know, this part was kind of hard to do, not gonna lie. The back is hard. The sides is cool, but once you get to the back, that's when it gets kind of tough. Now that we got everything balded out, we're gonna go ahead and just edge up everything. Since I'm doing a taper, I'm just getting my back, neck, and all that lined up. So I'm just, you know, using the mirrors and edging all that up, getting it nice and even. Make sure it's all crispy and ready, so that once I do the taper, it blends right in. And this mirror is from Barber, I believe. I'll put their tag down below. I'll put a little note in the screen too as well, where you could find it if you do want one. But just going around both ears, edging up everything. And now we're gonna start the fade. So I'm starting with the blade completely open, and I'm making about a 1/2 inch guideline, maybe 3/4 of an inch. And we're gonna set that in, and then we're gonna start blending down from the long hair to that. And since I'm already here, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend out my beard, and same steps. Now we're gonna take a 3 guard and just take off bulk. This is just clean up everything so I know what I'm blending into. After that, we're gonna go ahead and take the number 2 guard and go right beneath that. So now I'm blending from the blade open until the 2. After that, we're gonna go ahead and take the 0 guard open, and we're gonna just blend out. So we're going off the head, not trying to really make any lines or anything, just kind of slowly fading that out. And as you can tell, it's already kind of fading out. Using the corners. Usually when you're cutting your own hair, it's best just to use as much corners, because if you go straight up, you're probably gonna end up keep raising the fade or the taper. So just be careful, be slow, and just use the corner. And we're just slowly working the lever down. Now we're using our 1 guard open, and we're just kind of taking off that dark area between the 0 guard and the 2 guard. After that, we're gonna go back and tack that bottom line. So pretty much it's just from half to the ball line, and we're starting with the blade completely open, and then slowly closing it as we get closer to that bottom line. And like I just showed there, I'm using the corners only, and slowly closing the lever. Alright, now we're moving on to the beard. So I'm using a 2 guard, and I'm going right below my earlobe. I'm taking that 2 guard from there all the way up. So that's gonna step my base. My beard is kind of short, so that's going to blend in perfectly. It usually blends in with any length of beard because a 2 is like the sweet spot. So next we're going to take the 0 guard, open, same steps as we did with the top taper. We're going to do the same with the beard. So we're going to do open, halfway, then close. Next, we're moving on to the blade completely open and working from it open to closed. I didn't really need to use the 1 guard right here because my beard kind of blended in pretty easily, but if you didn't, if it doesn't work out for you like that, you could go ahead and grab the 1 guard and work from open to close as well. Also, stay tuned until later in the video. I got a little surprise for you guys. Stay tuned until I get to the other side, alright? Next, we're just moving on to our trimmer and just taking out that bald guy line from the shaver to the bald line. My camera did stop recording, so that's why I kind of missed out the part of lining up the back of my neck and the bottom. So I'm kind of just going over it just to show you guys what I did. Now we're using the shaver just to get the bottom extra bald. Next is obviously my favorite part of the haircut is straight razoring my beard, and I am using my jjaybeardedbarber razor. My website will be up soon, so if you guys want to cop one, go ahead and check it out. I'll have a link down below. And I'm just pulling the skin and just leading with that heel of that blade and just picking at it, and then I'm just going to line up the lip area and clean up the inside of my chin area as well. Now we're moving on to the most challenging part of the haircut. It's the back. So same steps, starting with the 3 guard and just kind of clearing off bulk. I'm trying my best to just go in there and get as even as possible, but it is tough, all right? I'm not gonna lie. After that, we're going blade open and we're setting that first guideline in, or technically our second guideline, and we're just following that from one side to the other. I recommend working on one side first and then work on the next side, so kind of split the back of the head in 2 if you're doing a taper. If you're doing a fade, you could do one whole side first and then do the other side second, or you could do it all at once to keep it more symmetrical. But when it comes to taper, I would split it up in half and make sure to always dust your neck off, clean it so you can really see. So now we're moving on to the 2 guard and going right under that 3. The 3 guard is like more of a test just to really see how long the hair is, and then the 2 guard is really to like know where you're fading into, because it's a lot easier to fade into a 2 than it is a 3. So like after the 2 guard, it's always the 0 guard open, and we're gonna just slowly attack that line. This part does take a long time. The back is super hard because of the angles and things like that, your arm positioning. So I had to grab another mirror just because the lighting was kind of weird at the time of the day, so I used this one just to help me out. I was going back and forth between the 360 mirror and the hand held mirror, but it just takes time. Be patient, and it'll slowly come together. It won't be perfect, but this is just to clean you up. See right there, I was stressing. It was getting hard, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just to clean yourself up, look presentable, and just be able to cut your hair. You never know if emergencies come up, and say we're all back and running and you couldn't make it to the barbershop. You just need to give yourself a quick cleanup. Just to a typical person, it's gonna look clean. Maybe to a barber or someone who really knows about hair, they'll see the flaws. But to an average Joe person, they're gonna be like, oh, cleaned up your neck, you look good. And that's what we're really going for. We're not trying to get a perfect, expertise, flawless cut, because you got to be a pro at this. Honestly, even barbers have difficulties with this. It's pretty tough. And now we're after the 0 guard, we went to the 1 guard. I didn't really show it, but we went to the 1 guard, and now we're just taking out that very bottom line with the blade open and just using corners, just picking at it. You're gonna see me here strutting. Yeah, I was like, screw it. It looks good enough. I'm just gonna move on. So now we're moving on to the next side. So on this side, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and listen to this dope song my cousin and his friends made. The beat is hard. I feel like the song's hella hard. It goes with the whole quarantine and the corona. So I'm gonna sit back and let you guys go ahead and listen to that. This side is the same steps, starting with the 3 guard to clear off bulk, then the 2 guard, and then go ahead and make your open guideline, and then use your 0 guard open to close, and then your 1 guard open to close, and then take out that bottom line. Just go ahead and follow along, enjoy this song, and I'll come back to you guys soon.
Yeah. I'm stuck inside, but that's alright. I'm saving lives by killing time. I wash my hands and sanitize. Don't touch your face or granny dies. No time for daydreams, even in this quarantine. I'ma make a better me, no time for negativity. I'm cloud 10, I was cloud 9, but now I feel good and I'm staying high. I'm cloud 10, I was cloud 9, but now I feel good and I'm staying high. Yeah.
If only we all knew you were supposed to be just a flu. Quarantined and bored as hell. Joe Exotic ain't doing so well. Found the Tiger King, Netflixing, waiting for the next big thing. Getting rid of COVID-19, cause I'm so tired of everything. Coronavirus, here you came, now we're sheltering in place. 14 days seems so long, especially when the TP's gone. If only we all knew you were supposed to be just a flu. Quarantined and bored as hell. Joe Exotic ain't doing so well.
Yeah.
Got a bunch of tigers on my brain, everybody praying that they don't get the virus. Stay alive, stay inside, my appetite does divide. But if I coexist, I gotta cough, home alone, man, I'm on some other shit. Busy brain, don't touch your face, gotta sanitize them hands, man.
Woohoo! Hope you guys enjoyed that song. I think it was super dope. I got my beard looking crispy right here. I'm feeling it, feeling the cut. Man, what a way to end the getting too excited. But now I'm just going ahead and cleaning up my beard real quick, shaping it up. That's pretty much gonna do it. I'm gonna go over a little bit on how I styled my hair as well after this, what products I used. But hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the after. Back's alright. The sides are clean. I like the sides. Beard looks good. Threw a little bit of enhancement of the fibers in there just to make my beard look even, because one side is a little bit lighter. But now we're gonna go ahead and style it. I'm using some volumizing powder, just throw in there to create some volume. And then I'm gonna go ahead and follow after that with some shine product. I'm using Victory Crown Slick, and this is their pomade. Helps add a little bit of shine. But that's pretty much it, YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cousin's link down below. It's gonna be on SoundCloud if you do want to download it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. The beat was dope. I feel like the cut came out sick. So see you guys on the next one. All right, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and go ahead and comment down below. We'll engage. All right, see you guys. Guess who just got a cut in this quarantine? Bye, your boy JJ Bearded Barber. Yup, it's quarantined. You know, finally decided to do the self-cut challenge. So this is the results. High taper on the side. High taper. Left the length on the sides because I'm trying to let my hair grow out a little bit. So I just wanted to give myself a little cleanup. Taper on the sides, taper on the side, taper on the back. There we go. There we go. Beard came out pretty dope. Went a lot shorter. Well, stay tuned. I got some extra other content coming out. Actually, I had my girlfriend clean up my beard, so I have a video of that coming out. But this was a self-cut, kind of just reshaped up the beard, cut myself. Let me know what you guys think. The back was a lot more difficult than I thought, but hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a little video, you know, a little demonstration on how to cut your own hair while you're stuck at home, because we all can't really go out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you guys on the next one, all right?